create a new document. My file is 1920 by 1080 pixels. Select the horizontal type tool and type your text. Select the Move tool and press Ctrl+T. You can now resize and move the text. Right-click on the text layer and select Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, Radial Blur. Use an amount of 50. Select Zoom and Draft. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer. Double-click on the radial blur effect of the top layer. Adjust the amount to 30. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the text layer again. Adjust the radial blur amount to 15. Press Ctrl+J again and adjust the radial blur amount to 5. Click on the FX icon and select Color Overlay. Make the text the same color as the background. And that's how you create this text effect.